Let's take a quick look at the HR dashboard inside our HRMS platform. In the Attendance section, under the Reports tab, HR can easily download any employee's attendance report. In the Leave section, HR has the ability to approve or reject employee leave requests with just a few clicks. Under the More section, in the Offer Letter tab, HR can quickly generate professional offer letters for new employees in just a few simple steps. Next, in the Wage Register tab, also under the More menu, employers can track and maintain detailed records of employees' wages and salary payments over a specific period, typically monthly. It's a critical part of payroll processing and labor law compliance. In the More menu, under the Office Location tab, HR can add additional office locations as needed. And in the Pay Structure tab, HR can edit the salary structure of any employee or create entirely new pay structures as required. Whether you are scaling a team or maintaining workforce records, this dashboard is built to make HR's job easier, faster, and more transparent. Efficient. Organized. Empowered HR management, all in one platform.